Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
Offered Nagin 5 and I was really excited when they said, will you do it? I said, of course, I want to do this show. When they heard also that I'm doing Nagin, everyone was like, you're doing Nagin? I don't take pressure, honestly. You know, if I start taking pressure, I'll not be able to function and I will not be able to work. वो एक चीज भी मिसिंग है जो पहले हुआ करती थी जहाँ पे हम लंच ब्रेक में साथ बैठ के खाना खाते थे. अब ये कोरोना टाइम्स है जहाँ पे हमको डिस्टेंस मेंटेन करना है, अपने अपने रूम में जाके खाना है. I'm not saying it. I definitely mean it that this is going to be different. लंबे लंबे चलते थे, 1 साल 2 साल चलते जा रहे हैं और कभी कभी ऑडियंस सोचती थी कि बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रेच हो गया, so I was happy too when she heard that I'm part of it. Yes, of course, she was very happy.
Welcome to India Forums.
Thank you so much.
So guys, Mohit is back. जो वेट था अब ओवर हो चुका है. बार बार हर कोई यही पूछ रहा था when he'll be back on television. So Mohit, सबसे पहले तो हम यही जानना चाहेंगे, what was keeping you away from television since so long?
It was not decided that I want to be away from television as such. In between, I was doing one film also for Vikram Bhatt and Varsha. That is, I think, almost ready, and I don't know what is happening on that, but so I was just, I think, waiting for something good to come in my way and some good show, good makers, good storyline and good concept, good character, and I think Nagin happened. So I think maybe I was waiting for Nagin to happen.
So what made you to say yes for Nagin? Like Nagin एक supernatural genre है. How much do you believe in that genre? And what made you to say yes? And what was Sanaya's reaction when you told her?
Basically, all this happened in just 2 days. And when Nagin came, I said, what? I'm offered Nagin 5. And I was really excited. It was such a big franchise. And and on top of it, it's Balaji and then colors. Everything is great. Everything sounds so good. And I said, I cannot let this go. And when they said, will you do it? I said, of course, I want to do this show. So yeah, so they tested me and then they said, you're doing it. And I got really happy and excited that, okay, I'll be part of Nagin 5 now. So I was happy too when she heard that I'm part of it. Yes, of course, she was very happy.
And also, do you believe in supernatural genre? And have you seen any season of Nagin?
I have not seen the whole season, but I've seen few episodes. Yeah.
And do you
like supernatural shows? हिंदी सिनेमा में उसमें तो मैंने टीवी पे ज्यादा सुपरनैचुरल शो देखे नहीं हैं, बट जो मैंने वेस्ट में जो शोज बनते हैं वो मैंने बहुत सुपरनैचुरल शोज देखे हैं ऐसे, and I really love watching those shows. So Nagin is also one of the biggest shows we have on television in supernatural. So I said I cannot let this go.
And also, you guys are taking over from a trio that introduced the show, right? And that time, the TRPs and everything was like very high जब ये show को एक introduce किया था trio ने. So अब आप लोग उसे carry कर रहे हो तो कितना pressure है in terms of how people will like me or not, like कैसी TRPs अब आगे रहने वाली हैं. और उससे पहले जो season था वो इतना चल नहीं पाया because of this कोविड एंड ऑल, इसलिए भी नहीं हो पाया था उस शो की वो पॉपुलैरिटी जो नागिन की रहती है वो सीजन की नहीं रह पाई थी. तो कितना प्रेशर है खुद?
I don't take pressure, honestly. If I start taking pressure, I'll not be able to function and I will not be able to work. What I feel is that मेरे शोल्डर पे बहुत responsibility है that कि it's such a big franchise और मुझे उसको आगे बढ़ाना है और वो भी successful होना चाहिए. Maybe will give my 200% कि वो पहले से भी और ज्यादा अच्छा बन सके, and everyone doing their best कि वो पहले से और बेहतर बन सके और ज्यादा अच्छा से बन सके और ज्यादा सक्सेसफुल हो जाए. तो सबके ऊपर वो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, and I feel the same responsibility on my shoulders too that वो और अच्छा बनना चाहिए.
And for Indian television, the concept of seasons in daily soap is rather new. What are your opinions on that?
seasons in daily soap.
Yeah.
It's a good thing, like, ये पहले होना चाहिए था और ये हो रहा है तो बहुत अच्छा हो रहा है, that if people are liking some show, that उसका second season बने और third season बने, fourth season बने, it's a good thing. People wait for that कि okay next season आएगा तो क्या होगा, तो वो जो बना है वो अच्छा है. People wait for that and then they get to see the next season, something fresh,
also,
something.
Yeah, and नागिन एक finite series है, तो ये एक reason था to say yes to the show.
This was one of the reasons कि एक finite season है कि क्योंकि usually shows जो होते हैं वो बहुत कभी-कभी पहले होता था, अब तो शायद उतना नहीं होता है, लेकिन पहले होता था जो shows लंबे चलते थे, 1 साल 2 साल चलते जा रहे हैं और कभी-कभी ऑडियंस सोचती थी कि बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रेच हो गया, और अब होता है कि जहाँ पे सीजन बनते हैं 7 मंथ का, 8 मंथ का और 1 ईयर का, and then it ends, so वो एक अच्छे नोट पे आके and people don't think कि ज्यादा स्ट्रेच भी हुआ है, तो वो they don't feel bored, people don't feel bored कि हाँ पता नहीं अब खींचता ही जा रहा है रबर की तरह, ऐसा नहीं होता है, which is a very good thing. Yeah, this was one of the reasons कि finite thing वो show है जो बहुत लंबे समय तक स्ट्रेच नहीं होगा.
Yeah. And also tell me about the look.
I really
in the show.
I don't know if I hope people like this look. I actually really like this look, of Nag, and even Jay's look. I'm liking Jay's look. I don't know if you have seen that. I'm kind of liking this look also.
Or it's very difficult to perform in this situation with these costumes. So what all precautions you taking right now?
I have not
while
shot
wearing such costumes, the jewelry, heavy jewelry.
I have not shot in this look till now. I have only shot in Jay's look, and precautions such basically. You are saying in terms of COVID and Corona?
Yeah.
I guess we'll have to just maintain distance, how we are already doing it, and we just have to keep sanitizing our hands, keep washing our hands, and mask we already wear, everyone wear their masks on set, so that we are already doing, so pretty much that only, and hopefully nothing will happen.
Yeah, hopefully. And also, I want to know what kind of reviews you're getting, like from your friends. You have such a big friend circle. So what are their reviews when they saw you?
When they heard also that I'm doing Nagin, everyone was like, "You're doing Nagin?" So I said, yeah. So everyone was very, very excited and happy that I'm doing Nagin. Yeah.
Oh. And also, अब तक जितने भी सीजन्स थे उसमें 2 एक्ट्रेसेस फीमेल लीड्स होती थी, अब इसमें 2 मेल लीड्स हैं. सो टॉकिंग अबाउट द इक्वेशन, आप तीनों की इक्वेशन कैसी है सेट पे, एंड लाइक हाउ मच फन, जो बिहाइंड द सीन्स जो फन है उसके बारे में कुछ बताओ, बिकॉज ऑल 3 ऑफ यू आर फन, बिकॉज सुरभि ने बताया मोहित इज सो मच फन टू टॉक, एंड शरद भी, दोनों अच्छे एक्सपीरियंस एक्टर्स हैं, उनके साथ मैं काम कर रही हूँ. So the equation.
सबको बहुत एक्सपीरियंस है, शरद को बहुत एक्सपीरियंस है, सुरभि has done shows, so everyone is very, very experienced here, and everyone is very, very sweet, humble, and supportive to each other, and everyone is very, very sweet, from director to the whole team. Actually, the whole team of Nagin, everyone is very, very sweet and very supportive. So सब बहुत अच्छे हैं. ज्यादा मजाक मस्ती का टाइम अभी मिला नहीं है उतना, बिकॉज ये बहुत जल्दी है कि हम मजाक मस्ती कर पाए, बिकॉज कुछ ही एपिसोड्स हमने शूट किए हैं एक साथ. इट्स टू सून टू, और स्टार्टिंग में थोड़ा सा प्रेशर होता है, शोज को, और सब लाइन पे आ रही होती है, ट्रैक पे आ रही होती है, तो वो ज्यादा टाइम मिला नहीं अभी मजाक मस्ती करने का. बट वो एक चीज भी मिसिंग है जो पहले हुआ करती थी, जहाँ पे हम लंच ब्रेक में साथ बैठ के खाना खाते थे. अब ये कोरोना टाइम्स है जहाँ पे हमको डिस्टेंस मेंटेन करना है, अपने अपने रूम में जाके करना है, तो वो पहले वाला जो वो चीज नहीं है अभी. बट सब कुछ ठीक होगा, वैक्सीन निकलेगा और हम लोग फिर से वो ही चीज कर पाएंगे जो मेक्स अस बेटर.
And how's the new normal for you? We are interacting like that, like this. अब press conference होते थे. ये fun आपको लग रहा है या you missing old days?
I'm kind of missing old days. I'm kind of missing old days because you can see each other personally. अभी phone पे हम लोग कर रहे हैं, which is also fun in a way. But I'm kind of missing, old days. Where personally आप सबके साथ बैठ के press conference कर रहे हो और आप सबके साथ बैठे हो बात interviews कर रहे हैं, हम लोग एक दूसरे से बात कर रहे हैं. I'm missing that.
And also, I want to ask you: have you seen any season of the show, of the Nagin? Any season you have seen?
No, I told you because I have not seen the whole season, but I have seen couple of them.
So क्या आता है ना, जब ऐसी शो शुरू होते हैं जिनके सीजन पर सीजन आते रहते हैं, शुरू में तो एक इंटरेस्ट डेवलप रहता है, बट जब बैक टू बैक सीजन्स आने लगते हैं तो कहीं ना कहीं ऑडियंस का भी थोड़ा इंटरेस्ट लूज होता है. तो उस इंटरेस्ट को टू मेंटेन इट, इज देयर समथिंग न्यू इन दिस सीजन व्हिच यू वांट टू टेल टू द व्यूअर्स टू वॉच इट?
मैंने पिछला सीजन देखा नहीं है एक्चुअली, so I can't say what is different than the previous season. But the makers, I've heard from the makers that this season is going to be very, very different. And the storyline is different, the look is different, feel is different. It's more modern, and तो थोड़ा different है ये season, and people will hopefully enjoy this because ये थोड़ा हटके है. Yeah. I'm not saying it. I definitely mean it that this is going to be different.
So, what you like to say to the viewers, to the fans for this comeback?
So guys, you have been very, very supportive all these years from my first show, Mile Jo Hum Tum, and thank you so much for the unconditional love and support you have been giving me. Now Nagin 5 is coming. I'm giving my 200%. I'll give my best, and I'm sure you will like this show because we are putting our best efforts, and just keep watching Nagin 5.
And I really wish you all the luck for this season, for this show.
Hey guys, check out our revamped website at www.indiaforums.com to get your daily dose of entertainment.